Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss all the important questions from the superlatives of India. Okay, so let's begin this session. So the first question is, the highest mountain peak of India is Godwin Austen, also called K2. The highest dam of India is Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. The highest waterfall of India is Kunsikal waterfall in Karnataka, and the highest gateway of India is Buland Darwaza, present in Uttar Pradesh. The highest award given to an individual is Bharat Ratna, and the highest gallantry award is Paramveer Chakra. The highest battlefield of India is Siachen Glacier, and the highest rainfall place in India is Mount Sundrium, present in Meghalaya. The highest airport of India is Leh, present in Ladakh. The highest lake of India is Cholamu Lake, present in Sikkim, and the highest tower of India is Qutub Minar, present in Delhi. The highest populated state of India is Uttar Pradesh, and the highest radio station of India is the Leh station of All India Radio. The highest statue of India is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, present in Gujarat, and the largest lake of freshwater in India is Walur Lake, present in Kashmir. The largest temple of India is Sri Rangatana Swami Temple, present in Tamil Nadu, and the largest mosque of India is Jama Masjid, present in Delhi. The largest church of India is Saint Cathedral, present in Goa. The largest Gurudwara of India is Golden Temple, present in Amritsar, and the largest monastery of India is Tawang Monastery, present in Arunachal Pradesh. The largest populated city of India is Mumbai, and the largest building of India is Rashtrapati Bhavan, present in New Delhi. The largest museum of India is National Museum of Kolkata, and the largest auditorium of India is Sri Sanmukhanand Hall in Mumbai, and the largest cinema theatre of India is Thagam in Madurai. The largest barrage of India is Farakka Barrage in Ganga River. The largest delta of India is Sundarban Delta in West Bengal. The largest dome of India is Gol Gumbaz, present in Bijapur in Karnataka. The largest zoo of India is Zoological Gardens in Alipur in Kolkata. The largest exhibition ground of India is Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. The largest desert of India is Thar Desert of Rajasthan. The largest cave temple of India is Kailash Temple of Ellora in Maharashtra. The largest cave of India is Amarnath Cave, present in Jammu and Kashmir, and the largest hotel of India is Oberoi Sheraton, present in Mumbai. The largest state by area is Rajasthan, and the largest state by population is Uttar Pradesh. The largest hospital of India is BJ Medical College in Ahmedabad, and the largest corridor of India is Rameswaram Temple Corridor in Tamil Nadu. The largest post office of India is Mumbai GPO. The largest forest area in a state is Madhya Pradesh, and the largest prison of India is Tihar Central Jail in New Delhi. The largest stadium of India is Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata, and the largest port of India is Mumbai. The largest lake of saline water is Silka Lake in Orissa, and the largest river island of India is Majuli, present in Brahmaputra River. The largest planetarium in India is Bilna Planetarium in Kolkata, and the largest man-made lake of India is Gobind Sagar, present in Bhakra Dam. The largest cantilever span bridge of India is Howrah Bridge of Kolkata. The largest library of India is National Library of Kolkata, and the largest Lok Sabha constituency by area is Ladakh, and the largest Lok Sabha constituency by population is Outer Delhi. The longest river of India is Ganga, and the longest tributary river of India is Yamuna. The longest coastline state of India is Gujarat, and the longest tunnel of India is Pir Panjal Railway Tunnel, present in Jammu Kashmir. The longest national highway of India is NH7 that runs between Varanasi and Kanyakumari, and the longest dam of India is Hirakud Dam in Odisha. The longest river bridge of India is Dola Sadia Bridge in Assam. The longest electrical railway line of India is from Delhi to Kolkata via Patna, and the longest railway platform of India is Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh. The longest river which forms an estuary is Narmada, and the longest bridge above water is Dola Sadia Bridge in Assam. The longest distance run by a train is Vivek Express. The longest non-stop run train is Trivandrum Rajdhani Express, and the longest railway bridge of India is Vembanad Railway Bridge, present in Kerala. The longest railroad bridge of India is Bogibeel Bridge, present in Assam, and the longest beach of India is Marina Bridge, present in Chennai. The smallest state by area is Goa, and the smallest state by population is Sikkim. The smallest Lok Sabha constituency by area is Chandni Chowk, and the smallest Lok Sabha constituency by population is Lakshadweep. The tallest building of India is the 42 present in Kolkata. So thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video useful, do subscribe to YouTube channel.